Many patients ask how acupuncture can reduce both stress and pain. The answer lies in the body's communication system. When tiny needles are placed at specific points, the nervous system responds immediately. Research shows that acupuncture stimulates the release of endorphins and enkephalins, the body's natural pain relievers, and activates the vagus nerve. This helps shift us out of fight or flight and into the rest and digestive state. In traditional Chinese medicine, we describe this as regulating the flow of qi and calming the shen, the aspect of the mind that governs emotional balance. When stress is reduced, muscles relax, circulation improves, and pain decreases naturally. By treating both the physical and neurological pathways, acupuncture encourages the body to heal itself. That's why patients often experience not only less pain, but also better sleep, improved mood, and a deep sense of calm after treatment. Acupuncture doesn't force change, it guides the body back to balance.